Hello, wonderful friends. It is Elizabeth from Madero Vlog Moments, and today I'm going to share with you a home tour. All right, I have not shown this video because I have waited for the time when we have moved. So if you're seeing this, it means that we have moved out of this amazing home that we have lived here for 10, almost 11 years. And we are in a new home. So I will be sharing with you guys all the projects, the fixer-upper type of stuff on the new house as we go, because we have a lot of projects we want to do to the new house. But our time has come. We don't live in this home anymore. And so I wanted to share with you guys while it is staged and as pretty as we could make it for people to be touring it. So I'm going to walk you guys through what it looks like. We've done a lot of projects in this house. We have updated a lot of stuff. And yeah, it's time for a new place. So here we go. All right, guys. When you first walk in, this is our home. So kind of like walk right into, and I'm trying to back up as much as I can, into these double doors that we installed. This was kind of used as like a dining room, and then I needed it as an office. And I wanted these frosted doors so that I could have a space so I could film and work and not have kids bugging me. But we also added these cabinets to hide all my filming and my Young Living, my essential oils, all that good stuff. My research, I can have a lot of books in there, but I just thought it looked cleaner having it like that. And then I'm backing up so we can see. I've got a desk that my husband made out of countertops just because I wanted an L-shaped desk. And then we bought these white drawers here from, I think they're from Michael's. So I'll try to link something similar. And then we have our filing cabinet, which had like a pressed board, like plastic thing on it. And we peeled it off, so it almost looks like it's like cork. And then we have a Craftsman looking chair, sheer curtains, and we painted in here this really light seafoam color. You'll see this is like my favorite color throughout the house. And I like lots of wood and copper. So lots of empty floor space in here too. So we've got, those are my flowers from my 10th anniversary when my husband and I got remarried. We reset our vows so our kids could see. And you may see I've got lots of little elephants in here too, because they're just near and dear to my heart. So we've got a big map, and this is my Young Living team. So every time I get new members from Young Living, I put a push pin in to resemble all the different states that are represented. And then it's a little hard to see with the glare. Created me a pure heart. And of course our computer and lots of files, fun stuff. So there's the view from the way out. So that's my first room. And then it's kind of like a main open space here. We've got our living room, our dining kitchen area, and then the rest of the kitchen. So my favorite thing about this house, guys, when I moved in here was the kitchen. This mass amount of space was so big to me. We had a tiny galley kitchen before we moved here, and I think it's almost too much space. So the new house, the kitchen will be smaller, but I'm wanting an all white kitchen and like marble countertops. So we'll see how it goes. So this is our kitchen. We've replaced all the appliances, stainless steel, Whirlpool, good stuff right here. And all of the smaller appliances are hidden underneath because, you know, we're showing. So I'll just walk you through the kitchen. This was all here when we got here. We did update the sink and the faucet, and we did the backsplash. So we did all that. And appliances, of course. This is where we keep our dog food. This is a Ray Dunn doggy treats, and then their dog food is in there with the copper lid. We keep out some of our veggies and our fruit out. All of our items, like bread items, go in this bread box. It's like a retro 1950s one. Our olive oil on the counter, and this salt container is from Target. I love it because then we can add salt while we're cooking. And got my Keurig, and then if you want to see what we're drinking in our Keurig, this is it. Do you think we like Tim Hortons coffee? I am a Canadian girl, and we only have a few decaf because we don't drink it that often. And then I have some Tazo tea because this stuff is really good too. But Tim Hortons, it's our jam. I am a Canadian that lives in Florida. So here's the view over here. Really nice and neutral. I got the key holder at like a local shop here. And then this room right here are actually, guys, let me share with you another thing. If I can find other pictures, I'll put them in too. We had a half wall that went there, and we took that down to make the space more open. And our pantry was actually a small triangle, so you could barely fit anything in it. And then my husband actually built it out and over so I could have like a walk-in pantry. So let me share with you one of my favorite spaces. My pantry. So we went with a brighter teal than in the laundry or in the front office, and then I got lots of glass canisters and we labeled them with chalkboard stickers and then a chalk marker, and that way we could label all the items. I've got a thing here that holds our LaCroix and lots of canisters to hold things. And I love having it labeled. Now our pantry is a little more empty than it would normally be because we're staging to move. And so I just have a few things, like we keep extra canned goods. Of course, guys, if you follow me on my Green Living channel, I've got Ningxia over here. The rest of it's in the fridge. And then that's about it. We also store all of our cleaning, like our brooms and stuff like that here. And then I didn't mention, I've got our Thieves soap, and I keep that diffuser here in the kitchen because that's one of my favorites. All right, let's move over here. This table is made from a local craftsman. We got it from a store here called Alyssas, and love it. And then these chairs we found secondhand and then recovered them. And we're going with more of a gray color scheme in the new house, so we're going to paint them and then recover the seats. So again, guys, stay tuned for the next episode as we remodel our new home. But here's the living room. We got all this furniture from Barrow's Furniture, which is, I don't know if it's a local store, but we found it here. And then the lamps are from, I think, Lowe's. And the print, oh, I can't remember where it's from. I'll try to link or list everything I can down below. And then the ottoman is where we store extra blankets and pillows. And that chair we got secondhand from Alyssa's again, a local store. Now the fireplace, we added the extra mosaic tiles around the edge, but when we bought the house, it was white fireplace and the walls were white. So we painted this Whispering Wheat color from Home Depot. And then there's a shelf to put extra stuff. So I love that for the holidays. I'm going to miss that shelf for Christmas. And then I'll share with you guys this direction, kind of come over here. So we have a TV in and surround sound, and then the end table over here, this end table is secondhand from Alyssa's as well, and the rug is from Rooms to Go, and it just pulls all our neutral colors together. And I love furniture that you can put stuff away. Now that bench is probably one of my favorite items that we own because it was my baby's cribs, and my husband repurposed it, made it into a bench, and I will probably never get rid of it for the rest of my life because so special. And then we just painted it this blue-gray. And that's a picture of the church we got married in, which is Niagara on the Lake. And here's the view from this angle, from the TV. Now our backyard is one of my favorite places in this house. It's a bigger backyard. We have a fire pit area in the back and a sitting area here. And my husband built this playground for the kids. And his favorite spot at the house is this big giant shop. And then we have family and friends come and we eat at this table outside, which has been really nice. We have 5 blueberry bushes way against that fence. And then this tree right here is a nectarine tree that has been very good to us every year. So we've really enjoyed it. So definitely in the new house, we will be adding fruit trees. All right, let me take you down the hall to the kiddos' rooms. Turn the lights. So when you come over here, you've got 3 rooms, and then this right here is a bathroom. So this room right here ahead of us is Ethan's room. It's very bright. So his room has been a car theme room, granted with lots of fun kid stuff. And these stripes we painted before he was born. I wanted to do a stripe theme that could go with any theme he wanted. And all the car stuff is from like Target, but it's from when he was a baby. And then that is his big gift for my parents when I was pregnant with him. It's a Chevy Nova. It's the front of a car. Pretty cool. And this is a gas dresser, which is really awesome. Beanbag chairs from Walmart. And then this bookcase is from, I'm pretty sure it's from Target or Walmart. But then we just have lots and lots of car stuff. Car piggy bank, car artwork, car shelf. And then over here is his hamper hoop, so he can do some basketball when he's throwing his laundry in there, and car curtains with stripes, of course. So this wall that his closet is on is darker blue, and then this accent wall matches. The stripes match the back wall behind us. So we just love the stripes. Be sad to see him go, but on to new things. All right, here is our spare bathroom, the second bathroom. So we just have a shower curtain that is from Target from back in the day. Prayer changes things. There I am. Hello, friends. Now this bathroom we painted. We changed the light fixture, the mirror, added granite countertops, and new cabinet and new tile. So totally changed it. We did, oh, and we changed the toilet, but the tub and tub surround is the same. And then this is the princess room. Let me turn on the light here. So we've got carpet, white furniture, and pink everything. Again, we went with stripes. These stripes on the wall we painted when I was pregnant with her. And so pretty special. The bedding is from Target, and she's super into mermaids right now. And this is from Hobby Lobby. Perfect for a girl. Place to put all her pictures, Snow White. And this was one of my favorite gifts. It's a signed picture of Snow White, the voice of Snow White, because that was my favorite princess. And then her room has like a walk-in closet, which houses a lot of her stuff. She's got books and toys and extra toys. If you have a girl, you know, they've got all kinds of stuff. And a princess piggy bank. All right, last room in the house. Right here is a small hall closet, which is for our coats, and it is tiny and it's diagonal. It's kind of how our pantry was, which is really hard to get anything into. But this is the master bedroom, and I remember moving from our old house to this house and being blown away because our old master bedroom, you'd get out of the bed and the wall was right there. So here is our master bedroom, and this furniture is from Alyssas Etc, which is again a local shop here, but I'm sure you can shop online if you want to check it out. But we had cherry wood furniture, and then we bought this, and I think it's pine. It's pretty lightweight, but we just like the look of it, that it could go beachy or we could go woodsy because we weren't sure where the house was that we were going to move into. And then these lamps we've had for a long time. And the curtains are from Walmart. And that blanket over there is from Walmart. And this chair, it was in my parents' house growing up, and they gave it to us. So that was nice. And the walls are nice and calm. They're whispering wheat. This is my dresser. The other one was my husband's, but I've got my salt lamp. And then I'm pretty sure I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's just little birds to put my jewelry when I take them off. And then just some things for decoration. But then this is my favorite diffuser. It's called the Dewdrop, and I really enjoy it. And I just have this Diamond Rising. So if you follow me on my Green Living channel, you know I'm obsessed with essential oils. Just love them. And then this is, I bought it on Amazon. I'll link something similar, but I love it because, let me show you. I can see all of my jewelry all in one. And I have like a lot of costume jewelry and just pretty necklaces and bracelets. But sometimes you're trying to look for an outfit and you can't see what you want. So I just love how it was all in one piece. So I'll close that in a minute. But let me take you to the other side of the room here. So here's the corner. There's our TV on the wall and my hope chest from when I was a child with all my keepsakes. And then our bedroom here. So then here's the master bathroom, and we got this hamper probably over a decade ago, I think before even kids, because I wanted to be able to hide the dirty clothes, so I have a lid on it. And then that's where we said our 10th wedding anniversary. where we said our vows at the Disney Yacht and Beach Club, which is pretty special to me. And then here is the bathroom. So this bathroom, we have done a lot. We did the floor, we painted the walls, and then we totally remodeled and got a deep soaking tub, and then did tile all the way around with a new shower head, and then new tile on the floor, granite countertops and cabinets, and you can see everything's like earth tones here and teal. And so we've left the mirror, but the light fixtures, oh, we need a new light bulb over there. The light fixtures are new. So the other thing, so there's the toilet, which is, you know, woohoo, it doesn't really matter there, but we added some shelving here to put our towels. And then, let me show you the other side of the tile here. It's really pretty. I wanted a tall shelf for shampoo bottles, so we did a tall inlay shelf and then a really deep soaking tub, which I love. I'm going to miss the separate walk-in closet. So here's my walk-in closet, nice and organized, place for shoes. And then my husband's we didn't change out. So that closet we did, this one we didn't. So we just kept the original shelving and all his fun stuff because he didn't care so much about it being pretty, but I did. All right, this is the last space of the house. This is Be Legendary, and this is right off of the kitchen. So we've got the pantry here, and then this pocket door that slides in. And then this is our laundry room. We've kept the floor the same, and of course, teal hampers there, but I've opened the lid to the washer because I'm in the middle of a load and you wouldn't be able to hear me otherwise, but we added Subway backsplash tile and a shelf to put some decor, which is now packed away. But then up high, we've added cabinets for all of our cleaning stuff and trash bags and light bulbs. We changed the light in here and we added cabinets, white Subway tile, countertop, and cabinets to put all of our gifts. So like a gift cabinet when I find things on sale for our kids or for Mother's Day. Over here, it may look a little bit messy, but those are our soccer baskets. So the kids keep all of their soccer stuff. When we clean and wash their soccer gear, it goes in there. And then I've got two birds for hooks. I have an owl and a little bird. And then these are spots for their backpacks and their umbrellas. This space down here, which is a little bit messy, or a lot messy, we have a bench with a seat and then spot for them to put their shoes. So that way it's not all over the house. They're shoved in here. All right, if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, including updates as we update things in our new house. Lots of before and afters. We're going to have a lot. So just wanted to share with you guys as we go. All right, bye guys.